What's the meaning of alphabetical? Alphabetical. 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 Alphabetical.
Alphabetical refers to the arrangement of items or information in the order of the letters of the alphabet. This means that items are sorted based on the first letter of their names, or the first letter of specific attributes such as titles, authors, or subjects. For example, a dictionary lists words in alphabetical order, making it easy to locate a specific word. Similarly, an index of a book may be arranged alphabetically by the surname of the author or by the titles of the chapters. Organizing information alphabetically simplifies searches and helps users find what they need quickly and efficiently.